My dear students, good morning. I hope that you are doing your work with full enthusiasm and zeal. पूरे उत्साह और लगन के साथ आप काम अपना कर रहे हैं, हम ऐसी आशा रखते हैं. In this chapter, in my first lecture, I told you about the light and its nature. In second lecture, I explained some terms regarding reflection of light, then reflection of light. Today, I am going to tell you about laws of reflection of light. There are two laws of reflection of light. How many laws? Two laws. In ninth you have read laws of reflection of sound. Light is also a form of energy. Sound is energy. And like sound, light also travels in the form of wave, rays, that is particle and wave both, quantum theory. So there are two laws of reflection of light. Reflection of light. First point, the incident ray the reflected ray and the normal ray at the point of incidence all lie in the same plane. That is, if you take your whiteboard as a plane, then in the plane of this whiteboard. Second point, angle of incidence is always equal to the angle of reflection. That is, angle I equal to angle R. Take an example. Suppose you have taken a plane mirror and its one surface out of these two surfaces of a plane mirror. Suppose this is a plane mirror and this surface has been painted, and so this surface will be the reflecting surface, right? So here I have taken a plane mirror which boundary M1, M2 and suppose a ray of light incident obliquely at point O of the reflecting surface of this plane mirror. That is, your point O is the point of incidence, and let, according to the definition of a reflection, it will come back in the same medium. And now draw a perpendicular ray here. So this is B and this one is C. You will see here AO is incident ray, reflected ray OB, reflected ray and OC is the normal ray. Normal ray. Here you see this is angle AOC. Angle between incident ray and the normal ray is called as what I have told you in my the previous lecture. Try to understand it. Incident ray, that is angle of incidence. Angle of incidence. And angle between reflected ray and normal ray is called as angle of reflection, angle R. So according to the laws of reflection of light, here you see the angle between, that is the incident ray, the reflected ray and the normal at the point of incidence all lie in the same plane. Second thing, angle of incidence is equal to angle of reflection. Suppose angle of incidence, angle I is suppose 50 degree. What will be the measure of angle R? You can easily say it. What will be this? 50 degree. Angle I equal to angle R. You know this is the normal ray, that is, and this angle is 90 degree. You know it. This is 90 degree. This is the case of a plane mirror. Take some another example of concave mirror. This is concave mirror. I will tell you about different type of mirror somewhat later on. Suppose a ray of light AO falls at the reflecting surface of a concave mirror. The path of reflected ray this is OF and join OC. OC is the normal here. So AO is incident ray, OF is the reflected ray, and OC is the normal. This is angle I, and this one is angle R. Same rule will be applied here, that is angle I equal to angle R. Incident ray, reflected ray and the normal ray all lie in the same plane, right? Similarly, you can take another example of convex mirror. Suppose a ray of light AO falls at the reflecting surface of convex mirror. What will happen? This is the direction of a reflected ray and this is the normal ray. So here you will see that AO is incident ray and OB is the reflected ray and this one is OD. OD is the normal. So here this is angle I, this is angle R. Now take some questions as homework on this basis. Question number 1. Define incident ray, normal ray, point of incidence, and reflected ray, second question, define angle of incidence and angle of reflection. Write laws of reflection of light. Write the name of incident ray, reflected ray, angle of incidence and angle of reflection in the given figure. Number 5, measure write the measure of following. First angle M1 OP, second angle ROQ, and third angle M1OR, and fourth angle M2OQ. Thank you.